In this video, we are going to create how we can create an amazing website with AI using single prompt, or you can clone any website design using a single click or a single prompt using UIBrainX. You can easily export these AI built websites into Elementor or Gutenberg just in single click, and you can also edit into the Elementor or the Gutenberg WordPress builders. So this is a step-by-step guide how you can create an amazing website, and you can also edit it into the Elementor, because we are going to create an amazing AI website that is editable into Elementor or the Gutenberg for the WordPress. So let me get started. As the very first step, you need to visit softlight.io/UIBrainX. This is the actual product of Softlight, and here you just need to click on go to app. Here you can also log in with your Google account, and you can also sign up with your email address. So I will just click on continue with Google, select my Google account, click on continue. Now after doing these steps, you will be redirected onto the dashboard of the projects. Now here I just click on add a new project, and you can project name here. I have just entered the project name and just click on create project. You can also go with the pre-built templates. It means you can select already built templates by UIBrainX, and here I will go with the blank page because I wanna create a unique website. Here you can simply enter the prompt here. For example, here I have just entered the prompt. I need a website for my website design agency, and here you can select the color combination. For example, I select this color combination for my website, and you can also select here the font family for my website. For example, I select the Montserrat font family. Here you can also upload the images, for example, and just hit enter. Now here is the final result with an amazing layout for the web design agency, with the sections that are necessary, as well as there is a form with the services that we need. Okay, and here is the footer, and if you go here and check the responsiveness, you can see this is 100% responsive on mobile as well as desktop. And if you click here on this button, open in new web, so you can see this is the full web layout of this website. Okay, and here you can easily export this website. For example, I just click on export, and here if you want to export it into Elementor, Gutenberg, Webflow, Bricks, or breakdowns. For example, I just want to export it in the Elementor, and I just want to import this into my Elementor build website. So for that, there you can see there are some requirements that you need to do. Now in the requirements, you can see they need to ask to install the Softlight plugin. So I just click here. The plugin has been downloaded. You can see this plugin is being downloaded here. The plugin has been downloaded. I just go here, plugins, click on add new, click on upload plugin, and just drag and drop the plugin that we just downloaded and click on install. Now plugin has been installed, and just click on activate the plugin. Now plugin has been activated, and after activating the plugin, you can see the second requirements, Flix container installation is mandatory. So here you just need to click on Elementor and click on settings and click on features, and here you just need to find out Flix container. So you can see the Flixbox container is also activated by default. So if this is not activated, you just need to click on activate and save the changes. Now we just click on export, just click on here. So this is copied into our clipboard, and here you just need to click on right click here, and here you can see paste from other side. So here you just need to enter Ctrl+V from your keyboard. Now you can see all the sections here. You can easily edit from anywhere of the website. You can see if you wanna check this out. You can see this is the text and this is text 2, and here this is the a title, and this is the text 2. And if you click here, style, text, background, so you can also change the background, and here is the icon that you can also change. And if you click here, these are the images that are the listicle items that you can easily change. This is the text for the about us area. You can easily change anything that you want here. For example, this is the form, so you can replace with the the form of the Elementor, and because this is free version of Elementor, so in the Elementor Pro you will see this form as well. And this is the footer that you can easily change the anything that you need. So this is fully editable website that you can easily create into the AI UIBrainX and easily export it into our WordPress Elementor website. So you can see, and here I will publish it and preview the link in the live. This is the live link of the website, so you can easily see that is an amazing website that is really good done and editable in the Elementor. Same as if you want to do is for Gutenberg, you can just click on Gutenberg, and here click here to download and install Softlight integration plugin. So we have already done it, and click on export. So you can just copy the code that is here. You just need to copy it. I have already installed the Softlight plugin, and you just need to go into WordPress Gutenberg area, and here in the Gutenberg area you just need to press Ctrl+V from your keyboard, and here you can see the whole website is here with the editable. For example, you can see we can edit these areas as well as these areas. As you can see, the header we can easily edit, and these sections we can also edit as we can edit into Elementor. So this is how you can do for the Gutenberg as well. You can see we have easily exported this website into Gutenberg as well, and we can also edit this into Gutenberg easily. So just like that, you can also export for Webflow, breaks, and breakdowns, page builders, and the website builders. So this is an amazing feature of UIBrainX. Now if you want to clone any website design into your Elementor or Gutenberg design, this is also very easy. For example, this is my website that I want to clone the design, and I just go here and paste the link of my website and click here to clone, and it will copy all the prompts that are needed and explain everything here. And then after clicking here, the clone will be done. Now you can see this have written a complete prompt to understand the flow. You can see everything is written here to clone the website, and you just need to click here. Within few seconds your website will be ready. You can see this is the clone that this has been made. I just want to show you my website. This is my website, and this is the clone that has been created by UIBrainX. This is an amazing clone that is done very done by this website. And if you check the responsiveness, this is also responsive, and same as you can just export it for the Elementor or Gutenberg or Webflow or breaks or the breakdowns builders. So you can also export it as same as I have already showed you how you can export it and edit it to Elementor or the Gutenberg. So this is very simple and easy that you can easily create the websites in UIBrainX AI website builder, and then you can easily export it into your WordPress based website, and you can add it into Elementor or the Gutenberg. So I hope you like this amazing tutorial. So in future you will get these kind of videos. So please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and comment below if you have any question regarding the UIBrainX page builder for the Elementor.